Hey there. Welcome to session 1. It all starts with a switch, the transistor. Today we're going to explore the single simplest item inside the black box, the switch. Let's go. On means true or 1, and off means false or 0. This is the world of binary and it's all a computer understands. Your CPU isn't reading English, it's just checking millions of tiny switches to see if they are on or off. Before computers, people stored information using physical objects like books, scrolls, and even rocks with markings. But to build a machine that can process information, we needed a way to represent that information electrically. And the easiest way to do that is with a simple choice, on or off. So, how do we make that switch? The answer is the transistor. It is the most basic building block of all digital electronics. You can think of it as a tiny, microscopic, electrically controlled water faucet. If the control signal is on, the switch closes and allows a larger current to flow through. If the control signal is off, the switch remains open and no current flows. It's a silent, microscopic switch that controls a current based on another, smaller current. Just like a regular light switch. A transistor can be turned on or off. But instead of using your finger to flip a physical lever, it uses a tiny puff of electricity to open or close the gate. When we combine two or more transistors, we create structures that perform simple decisions. These decision makers are called logic gates. Let's take a look at the AND gate for example. The AND gate is like two light switches wired in series. Both switches must be on for the light to turn on. We can also create or not gates using transistors. The magic of computing is not in complicated individual components, but in the sheer scale and speed of simple switches. Information is represented by on or off, and the transistor is the microscopic, electrically controlled switch that makes it all possible. Combinations of transistors form logic gates, which are the first step in making simple decisions. This tiny switch is the entire foundation upon which all software, operating systems, and applications are built. And that's it. You now know the secret to the switch concept. Do you feel like you have a handle on it? Let us know in the comments below. See you in session 2, the language of machines, binary and logic.